So that's it, Friday afternoon now. Starting to pack up. Early night. Steve's just cleaning down. Oi! Rob! Hang on a minute. I'm just doing the closing one. I didn't mean to shout at you, Sebastian. Was it Robert? George today. So yeah, it's all been blown down there, and some of these bricks are really showing some wear and tear here. That's dreadful. Absolutely dreadful. A couple I've got to take out. More than a couple. Complete with this here, it's just dreadful. Where they've done weather struck pointing on the bricks, they've gone over. You're getting all this, and as soon as you start removing it, the brick just crumbles away. Not really a lot you can do. Just try and make as best a job as possible with a churn brush. Might sort of tone it in a little bit, smooth the edges off. That's a shit job. Absolute shit job they've done. That's life. Could have even been worse. Could have been proper belt and bracer builders, and raked it out well deep and put neat sand and cement in it. Strong mix. That's sort of saved our day. That is. So yeah. He's asked me to. The owner's asked me to see if I can tidy these up. These coating bricks. Yeah, not a lot we can do, but I'll get out the reclamation yard weekend, see if I can pick something up. Someone's already tried repairing them with sand and cement over the years. Yeah, raked out. Down that level there's raked out. All that level there's raked out. Ain't done too bad now. Got a couple of days, 2-3 days. Like the side of a little tower there. Cosmetically. Still not sure whether grind that out, that arch. We'll be very careful. It's very live at the moment. Like most of this brickwork here, it's it's loose. Everything's loose. They've got to be rebedded in. Little ones here. Up in there, we've got a load of loose bricks up here. Got bricks all coming out. Corners. That's part of it. Just got to make it look nice, haven't we? At the end of the day, it is what it is. Loose bricks here. Cut one that I put in there. I think that's shown signs of good weather in that one. So that's cool. It looked nice when it's done. Looks better now it's just been blown off. It looked awful. But I mean, the guy, he understands. He's quite clued up. He knows what he's doing. Start on the side, this elevation, next elevation down the other side of the building. Then move around to the other side at the back there. I think he's finished round here, so we can start this probably Monday. He's boarded the windows up. The roofers are finished now. That's not going to be touched. That's pretty good. That's in good nick. Don't touch what ain't broken, my old dad used to say. wants it done for cosmetics. He's looking at it wrong. Yeah, good few days work. Nice. Pleased. Finish at the bottom level there, basically from there to all along to the other end there, just the lower level. Scaffolding's coming down in 2 weeks, so I've got to get a bit of muck in there a bit soon. Give it a good wash down Monday, good hose down, and then crack on Monday. Hopefully with a bit of lime mortar, get it in there. Anyway, in a bit, it's been, well, I'll say in a bit, it's been a lovely day, a bit breezy, but yeah, really nice. Could wish for better weather really, not too hot, not too cold. Right, that's it. I think we're done. We're going to go for a little bit of fish and chips, I think, Friday and all that. In a bit.